Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool wooden wall crank telephone, and this is Steve's equipment from New York, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done to this unit. We want to troubleshoot the entire telephone. We want to troubleshoot the transmit, the receive, and the handset cord. Now we know that the handset cord has a bad connection at the handset and at the connection of the base of the telephone. So we want to go through that issue. We also know that the transmit has static. It is an original style type diaphragm metal transmitter, and it's noisy. So we will have to upgrade the transmitter. We will install an electronic circuit that we design and build. It's an electronic amplified transmitter. So we'll install the electronic amplified transmitter. We also want to go through the receive. We want to make sure that the receive has enough audio. We would like to try to save the receive because it is an original style metal diaphragm receiver. So we'll try to utilize the receiver in our repair and conversion. This unit will be hardwired, so we're going to set up and mark the area where Steve needs to make his connections, because he will be hardwiring this telephone. We also need to go through the bell. The bell does have some issues. It does need to be adjusted and cleaned up. We also need to go through the bell circuit. That's going to have to be changed. So we will rework the bell circuit. We need to go through the hook switch. We will also need to reconfigure the wiring in this telephone. We want to wire this telephone the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We need to go through the rotary dial. We need to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial. And at this time, the rotary dial is not even connected into the telephone circuit. So we need to connect the rotary dial into the telephone circuit. We will be going through the magneto, and we want to take care of any kind of issues that we find with a magneto. We also need to repair the little spinning handle on the crank handle. It does have a chunk taken out of that spinning handle, and we want to repair that issue. So that will require some body work. On the side of the door for this unit, there is a key entrance, and it is missing the cosmetic key entrance little plate. And we're either going to have to locate one or make one. We will probably go ahead and make that cosmetic piece. We will be going through the entire telephone because everything needs to be worked on at this point. We will also need to install a circuit that we design and build here at the shop that allows you to walk up to this telephone, crank the magneto, ring the original bell, but not backfeed any voltage into the telephone line, and yet when you get a call, the original bell will ring. So we'll install that circuit so that you can use this telephone on a telephone line with the original bell. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool wooden wall crank telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, converting, and repairing process. We'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're going to go ahead and test the bell, but we also want to mention a really cool design feature, and that is the clip that holds a piece of paper on the writing shelf. And you go ahead and push the clip up, and you can remove the paper or put the paper down, and the clip will hold it. So that's a really cool design function. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use our magneto and crank the magneto and ring the original bell. So we'll start that. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll stop the ring cycle. Now that we know that the original bell rings when you crank the magneto, and the original bell rings when you send a ring cycle with the analyzer like you were getting a call, we're going to go ahead and move forward to some other issues that we need to take care of with this telephone. We'll go ahead and take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with a repair and conversion of this really cool wooden wall crank telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that we're going to use the line cord as the hook switch. That way we don't have to reach up and hit the hook switch every time we want to test the telephone. We also want to mention that we have an amplified pickup attached to the handset at the receiver so that we can hear the audio from the receiver during our final checkout. I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time and release it. It is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. We also want to mention that as long as your telephone line has the proper voltage, there should be no issue using this telephone. And that is with the ring cycle also. You must have proper voltage for the ring cycle because of the mechanical bell. Earlier in the video, we already went through the bell. We cranked the magneto and rang the original bell. We also sent a ring cycle with the analyzer like you were getting a call and rang the original bell. Now what we want to do is go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll plug in our line cord. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. We did install an electronic amplified transmitter, and if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We'll go ahead and hang our unit up by pulling the line cord. Now that we know that we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Wednesday, July 21st. The current time, 10:06 a.m. and the temperature, 77 degrees.
We'll go ahead and hang up by pulling the line cord. We can go ahead and call another number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. We'll go ahead and unplug our line cord. Now that we know that this really cool wooden wall crank telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Steve and he can enjoy this wooden wall crank telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.